Friends, today we are going to talk about a question that comes to many people's minds. How do Jamaicans go to the United States legally? Is it easy? Is it difficult? Or is it just patience, planning, and traveling the right way? Let's figure it out together. My dear viewers, now let's talk about this way, which is the most used and the most realistic way to go from Jamaica to the US, and that is family sponsorship. Viewers, America is a country where family is given great importance. Therefore, if a Jamaican person's close relative is already living in the US and is a US citizen or a green card holder, then he can bring his loved ones to him legally. For example, if the parents are in the US, then they can call their children. If the husband or wife is in the US, then they can sponsor their spouse. Even siblings can sponsor each other. But my dear viewers, here's an important fact. It is not a quick path. It is a test of patience, because after submitting the application, sometimes 3 years, sometimes 5 years, and in some cases, you may have to wait for 10 to 20 years. Yes, viewers, this may sound hard to hear, but those who are patient, who follow the law, are the ones who finally succeed. And when that day comes, when family members meet each other, that moment brings tears of joy to their eyes. That is why family sponsorship is not just an immigration route, but a bridge connecting hope, love, and family. Subscribe now if you like this real information. So viewers, if someone doesn't have any relatives in the US, can he still legally go? Yes. Now let's talk about a path close to the hearts of young people, going through education. Viewers, thousands of young Jamaicans every year dream big to study at a good university in America, see a new world, learn new skills, and change their lives. This journey begins with an admission letter. When a student gets admission to an American college or university, they get a student visa, and this visa opens the doors of America for them. But my dear viewers, this path is also a challenge, because by going there, a new culture, new people, and a completely new life, everything changes. Many find it difficult at first, but those who don't give up, they slowly get closer to their dreams. The biggest advantage is that after education, many students get the opportunity to work and then legally make their life in America. So viewers, if a person does not want to study, is there a path? Yes. And the next path is going to America through skills and jobs. This is for those with a special skill or professional experience. Viewers, if you have expertise in a field, technology, healthcare, engineering, or tourism, then American companies can sponsor you. That means you can legally go to the United States to work. But this path is not easy. The company must prove no one else is available for this job. However, it is a golden opportunity. When you get sponsorship, it can take you closer to permanent residency or a green card. So viewers, now let's talk about an interesting and lucky path, which turns the dreams of thousands of people into reality every year. Yes, now we will talk about the Diversity Visa Lottery. The United States conducts this lottery every year. Jamaica is included. Thousands apply, and only a lucky few are selected. This is not just luck, but your preparation and applying on time. So viewers, now let's talk about another legal path based on love and real relationships. If you have neither a family sponsor nor a study or work visa, then there is marriage to a US citizen. But here is one very important thing. This marriage must be real and legal, because US authorities look at each case very carefully so that there is no fraud. When it is real, you can legally reside and work. So viewers, we have seen all the major legal paths: family, student, work, lottery, and marriage. Each path has its own challenges and demands hard work. Remember, a trip to America is only possible with the law, patience, and hard work. My dear viewers, if you liked today's video, subscribe to the channel now and press the bell icon so that you don't miss any new informative videos. We bring information that will really be useful in your life. Stay tuned.